This milk tea is very good. I feel tired, but I am happy now.
Mom, I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? What is it, Mia?
Mom, I drew this picture for you.
Is this our family?
Yes, Mom, this is you, Dad, and me.
Am I really like this?
Yes. Mom is big and always drinks milk tea.
Mia, go to bed early. Tomorrow is your school festival.
Will you come with me, Mom?
Yes, I will go with you.
Really? Thank you, Mom.
Mia, wake up. It is time for school.
Yes, Mom.
Why can't I wear this dress now? I think I gained weight. David, do I look fat these days?
A little, but I think you are very cute.
Okay, I will keep this dress. I will wear it when I lose weight.
All right, I believe you can do it. You will look great in that dress. You still look cute in it.
This shirt is more comfortable for now.
Mom, look! So many people.
Yes, it is very crowded. Is she Mia's mom?
Yes, I think so.
Welcome everyone to our school festival. Today is about family and love. We will listen to some kids talk about their moms. Do not worry. Just speak slowly and be yourself.
Yes, I will try my best. My mom is very kind and she cooks for me every day after work. I love her very much because she always takes care of me.
Thank you, my dear. I love you too. She is a very good mom.
My mom is very strong and she works very hard every day. She helps many people, and I want to be like her.
I am so proud of you, Sarah. She looks so confident, and me. Now it is Mia's turn. Please share about your mom.
Hello, everyone. I want to talk about my mom. My mom stays at home a lot, and she likes to rest after a long day. She also likes to drink milk tea every day because it makes her happy.
Oh, she drinks milk tea every day?
That is a funny answer.
Kids always tell the truth.
Did I say something wrong? Why are people laughing?
No, Mia, you did very well. You are honest and very cute. Everyone is smiling because your words are simple and real.
Thank you. I just say what I see every day. I love my mom very much.
That is how she sees me. I did not know this. I feel so ashamed. I need to change.
Why did they laugh? Did I make Mom sad? Did you hear what Mia said about her mom? Yes, her mom just stays home and drinks milk tea. That is not a good mom, I think. Yes, my mom is much better. That is not true. My mom is not like that. My mom is kind. she loves me every day. You should not say bad things about her. But you said she just rests and drinks milk tea. We only say what you said. I said that, but I still love her. She is my mom. She is the best for me.
Why is Mia so quiet today? Maybe she is tired. Mia, I am here.
Hi, Mom.
How was your day at school?
It was okay.
Did something happen?
No, I am okay.
Let's go home.
Yes, Mom.
Mia, what do you want to eat tonight?
Anything is okay, Mom.
How was the event at school today? Was it fun?
No, I did not feel happy at all, Dad.
Why? What happened at school?
Nothing. I am just tired.
Anna, what happened at school today?
Mia talked about me, and people laughed. I feel very bad. I think I need to change.
I understand, and I will be with you.
I cannot live like this anymore. I will stop drinking milk tea.
I am here with you. You are not alone.
No more sugar from today.
It's okay.
I feel so sleepy now. I cannot focus on my work. I really want some milk tea of coffee now. It can help me feel awake again. Maybe just 1 cup is okay. Just this one time. No, I said I will stop. I cannot break my promise. I want Mia to be proud of me. I need to be strong. Anna, I got milk tea. Do you want one? It is your favorite flavor. It looks really good. But I am trying to stop drinking it. Are you sure? Just 1 cup is fine. No, I want to change myself. Okay, I understand. You can do it. Thank you. I will try my best. It is time to pick Mia up. I should not be late today. Hi, Mia. I am here.
Hi, Mom.
Let's buy some food for dinner.
Okay, Mom.
These cakes look very good. I really want to eat one. Look, Mia, this is carrot and broccoli. They are good for our health. This is spinach. It has many vitamins. We should eat more green vegetables.
Mom, you choose vegetables now. I think that is very good.
I want to be healthy for you. I want to change step by step.
Mom, I feel happy today. You are different now.
I am trying for you, Mia. Thank you for being with me.
I am proud of you, Mom.
I will keep going.